it's
Only for 20 seconds it will give over.
you have to just kick in that
Okay.
that point of time.
So the gears are here.
Gears are here.
Here.
Okay, it's here. It's in
Top
drive.
is reverse.
Okay. Alright. It's reverse, neutral, then drive.
Right.
Okay. Drive and slash manual.
Yeah. Manual also goes directly if you put the shifting lever.
Okay. So currently, what mode is it on?
This is a normal mode now. Once you start the car, it's in normal mode. You just have to like toggle it.
Toggle it from the dial.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's go to sports, sports plus.
Okay. And then if I click it, then it's over boost. Okay.
It's a whole new experience sitting here because BMWs, Audis, Mercedes,
Mhm.
you know, it feels kind of normal,
Almost
actually,
similar,
it's
yes.
similar, but this feels another level.
It's more of like sportier, as in the sense like
Yeah.
it is more of you can see the physical buttons.
Yeah,
If you see the dashboard is very minimalistic,
Yeah.
but
the overall.
the retro feel is
Yeah.
something different.
Hello, yes, video.
I worked for 15 years with BMW.
Okay.
I just shifted to Porsche.
Acha, acha. I'm a Porsche fanboy.
Okay. It's nice that we are meeting
Yeah.
this time.
It's a pleasure. So, this is not a 7-speed PTK, right?
No, it's
a
8.
8-speed
8-speed
Tiptronic, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at the projector.
Yeah.
It's quite bright.
Can you feel the kick in
Yeah,
game?
yeah.
Seriously.
There's
This
two
is
steps in the
different,
accelerator.
Yes,
seriously.
yes.
What's the 2 steps for? For the accelerator.
The full acceleration you're talking about?
Yeah.
Or the one that you felt?
I just felt when I pressed it,
Uh-huh.
there was one more press left.
It's the turbo kicking in over there.
Oh,
Acha.
okay. Okay.
Shit.
No, it doesn't work.
Like sitting, shifting our perspective. The day
Yeah.
when we sat in a Q8 and sitting here is so different.
It's a different level.
Yeah.
It's
Even the
different
feel-
and the big thing like which I want to highlight one more thing, the
Yeah.
suspension. If you
Yeah.
see the PASM,
Mm.
since you are a Porsche fanboy,
Yeah.
I have just started to learn of a Porsche. Like I have seen a lot of other cars, the air suspension they are very much like on the more of a wavy side.
Yeah.
If you see this is an air suspension,
Yeah.
but you will be hardly able to feel it.
Yeah.
But it is not that rigid
True,
too.
true.
While you take the curves, like
Yeah.
if you sway it, you will see it's not that. The body roll is much less.
Yeah. Yep.
And seats are so comfortable, man.
Wow.
They're in the QA.
Yes.
It's like you're sitting on clouds.
The seats have massage function too.
No, these are all optional.
Oh,
you
yeah.
can select.
Okay.
The Sports Chrono package is how much option? for that?
Sports Pro package comes standard with this car.
Okay.
With this one.
And the paint is paint to sample or
Paint you can choose.
okay.
Like this Montego Blue, the one we are having is a 681.
Okay.
Then you go to the sample, like the higher one,
Manufacturer, Yeah.
the exclusive manufacturer. So there you have the other choices. Starts from around 13-14 lakhs or so.
Okay. So it's all about customization.
Yes.
And I really like this bronze accent.
Ha.
It makes the car
It's so good.
premium. And even the ambient lighting, it's not on your face.
Yes.
Oh fuck, man, seriously, this is something else.
So whichever might distract your driving, they have removed it. Because this car is meant for driving. Now, for example, this car. Where you are sitting, you can see the sitting posture.
Yeah.
In case if you feel like long road at times, you might feel to sit a bit more upright.
Yeah.
There's a switch. This angle.
Yeah.
This
That's-
angle. You can.
Yeah. বস্তু ট্ৰাই কৰিছ নেকি?
Oh, and the exhaust also, it has a different sound.
Sound.
When the
Pop, 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 like this.
Yeah.
Maybe the valves open or something
Yes,
like
yes,
that.
yes. Valves open.
Okay. Even in these bumps also, no?
Yeah.
It never went up.
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the
yeah.
air.
Yes.
I'm exactly talking the difference which I have last
Yeah.
15 years I've driven X5s and X7s. The immediate
Yeah.
difference I felt. I'm just sharing that with you.
True.
I've never studied the Porsche mechanisms because it's been just 1.5 months since I used to take care of the product and training part in
Yeah.
BMW. So from that perspective, I'm just sharing my experience.
This is so classy.
Yeah, bro.
So classy.
That was the first thing I noticed.
Yes.
The analog clock.
And this you can make it as a timer, bro.
Timer also.
Okay,
A sub-second clock is like it's a 911 GTS.
তোৰ বুষ্টটো দিলে টাইমাৰ ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈ যায় নেকি?
20 সেকেন্ডৰ কাৰণে
আচ্ছা
20 সেকেন্ডৰ কাৰণে
লগালগ
লগালগ
আৰু স্পীডটো বাঢ়ি যায় সেইটো মানে কমাব নোৱাৰি
এক্সজষ্টৰ ভেলভ বিলাক খুলি যায়
অ।
শব্দটো আহি যায় আৰু অলপ বুষ্ট এটা আহে
সেইটো অকল খালী ৰাস্তাতে কৰিব পাৰি চাগে আগত খালী থাকিব লাগিব
ইয়াতে নোৱাৰি
The streets have to be open.
yeah or else it won't be safe
Is there a U-turn from here somewhere?
yeah there is one
Okay. Because here you,
Yeah.
this is like a normal safari now.
yeah it's like now it feels like a usual car because
Yes.
traffic but seats are so comfortable
That's what the point concludes.
yeah
And normal traffic also you won't feel like
Yeah.
you're sitting in a sports car, very
Yeah.
upright seats,
Yeah, yeah,
strong,
yeah.
Stephen.
Yeah.
Even if you see this one,
Yeah, it's
Put in your
very
hand.
very soft. Kevin, check the sound system also, bro.
you can pair your phone. You should play your own music.
Yeah. Kevin.
Let me pair up.
do you need to stop before
No.
going?
Yeah, just at least for the initial one. But I think by this time we will make it.
okay
Start search. The speed the car is in. Just you have to go to the music once. The music icon.
Connected.
Yeah, over there. Okay, the car came in. So you can cross it. You can just there is a cross. You go to music directly once. So, Bluetooth is there. No device connected. Why?
Connected device, I guess. It's connected here. It's connected, Cayenne.
It's connected. You can play, I guess. Man.
Just try playing one. Let me see. Your phone signal is coming over there.
ওইটা রাখে দিও নাকি এনে ফ্রেশ করতে আছে
No.